Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, not nothing super special for you, but just wanted to pop in real quick. Me and tool girl Lisa's got something we're gonna go ahead and do today. And here she is right here. This is my partner in crime right here, tool girl Lisa. So we got a big project that we're gonna go ahead and take care of today. And it's nothing real special. We're not doing a junkyard tour. We're not doing a will it run. We're not doing anything like that type of thing. All we're doing is, you know, in Michigan here, it's starting to get a little chilly. It's fall time. We hit the first day of fall. So we got winter season coming up here shortly. And all these cool cars have got to get put away for the winter and taken care of for the winter. So we're going to do our best we can to take care of them. We did purchase quite a few cars this summer. So we got quite a few here. We do have a few for sale, a couple sold, all that good stuff. But we got to go ahead and take care of these cars. So we're going to give you a quick pan through real quick, kind of show you some of the things we got to take care of. Some of the cars that we're taking care of today, we'll be putting Fury number 1 away, 57 Fury number 1. We'll be putting the 57 wagon, the Suburban. Unfortunately, we didn't get to the motor swap like we wanted to this year. We're still going to try to. We're going to see where things go. But I don't know if we're going to get to it yet or not this fall or whatever. Who knows? We've got the 57 Dodge Donna over there. Donna is sold. We're just waiting on the pickup for that. We got Chloe, the Cutlass right here, also sold. We got a couple of puppies. Look at here. Here's Chevelle, shot dog Chevelle. Yay, Chevelle, and then our little DeVille right here. So these two play together really good. They're really good puppies. They're our shot puppies, and they do really good. And anyways, yeah, so we got Chloe, the Cutlass we got to take care of. And this one, Chloe, the Cutlass, is going for sale, by the way. We got the Vet number 2 back there, our junkyard save, and we're going to be working on that one as well, getting that parked for the winter, put away for the winter, so we can get on that next summer, hopefully. We got the Goldsmobile, which we call the Goldsmobile, going into storage for the winter. We got a lot more cars here to go ahead and take care of. Let's take a quick look back. Take a wander on back. We got shop truck Bessie right here, the rough one here. Also a local advertisement for one of our original local car shows. Yeah, it's a little advertisement right there. So back here we got a few cars to move. We got the 73 Cadillac, which was featured in one of the videos. That was my mom's car way back in the day. Coupe de Ville 73 Cadillac. Kind of rough shape. We do undecided yet whether we're gonna part that out, whether we're gonna get another one in better shape and move forward with that, because I really would like to have one of my mom's cars. Anyways, we got the 58 Plymouth Savoy right here. Gonna be go ahead and making a move up front. We got the 59 Buick, which you've seen in past videos. We got the 72 Duster, very cool car, Montana car, very solid car. And we got our Texas car, 58 Plymouth 4-door Loretta, and then also Brando's cars, 57 Plymouth Savoy. So yeah, we're gonna get some of these cars moved, and then we got another Triumph underneath the tarp right there, which is a parts car for tool girl Lisa's car. So we're gonna go ahead and see if we can get some of these cars moved today, get them in the lineup. We got to get them put away for the winter, guys, plain and simple. I mean, Michigan winters kind of suck here. We get a lot of snow, ice, stupid stuff like that, stuff that we can't stand, but it is what it is. We deal with it, we move on, all that good stuff. So we got a lot of cars to move, and we're gonna try to take you along for the ride. But oh, and then we got Fury number 2 and Vet number 1 in the building as well too, that we got to take care of too for the winter, because in the shop for the winter we plan to have just Maryland, the 58 Chevy project we're working on, and of course Christine. I got to get back on that and get some more work done on that. So thanks guys for being patient with me on that. We got a lot of other cars here. Of course, you know, it's the cars that come into the shop and the cars that go out of the shop that help to fund the Christine project and put the funds there in the first place. So a lot of the cars that we get in, you know, they fund the projects that we really want to keep for ourselves. So and of course we already have at least the tool girl's Cadillac put away for the winter, and we already have the 32 Chevy Coupe put away for the winter. So those two are good to go. The Golden Wheel's got to be put away. The cutlass got to be put away. All that good stuff. So, anyways, we're gonna bring you along today. We're just and we're gonna do nothing but just haul, move, drag a few cars around, rearrange things for the winter, and we'll drag you along because I'm sure Tool Lisa's happy about that, right?
Yeah, yes.
She loves to move cars. She loves it. So, all right, so we're gonna go and get to work, guys. We'll bring you along for the ride. All right, here we go. All right, Tool Girl, how you doing? Good. All right, she's doing good. So we discovered that, you know, we got a sore foot on Susie over here. We're gonna go ahead and take care of. It's on the rise. It's like Christine, Tool Girl.
Yeah. But she's not airing herself up.
Well, kind of.
You're helping her.
If I hide behind the fender,
You can't know.
That's what they did in the movie.
No hiding behind the fender.
That's what they did in the movie.
Oh, this isn't the movies.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
It totally is.
No, it's not, Tim.
This is Susie the movie.
Mm.
You know what's a shame?
Could be a movie in your head.
It's almost a shame that this car's going to be parted out.
Hey, like I told you gotta part some out to save others.
I'm going to send you a camera out for your school.
You better shut up.
Or what?
You can do this all yourself.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe I should.
Mm-hmm. Maybe you should.
Maybe I should. Why don't you just go in home and go bake some cookies or something? You want to be here? Just go bake some cookies.
Shut up.
Huh?
Shut up.
All right, so these tires are extras.
There's Brando's car.
What are you filming? Junk?
Just never mind.
You filming junk?
Yeah, all your junk.
My junk? Here. I'm film junk there. Film that junk. Junk bundle. It's my wife, Tool Girl Lisa, back there. She complains a lot, so just you have to bear.
Shut up.
You have to bear with her. She likes to run her mouth a lot, so you gotta.
So does my husband. Like to run his mouth all the time.
She's really a sweetheart, even though she doesn't act like it all the time. She's, aren't you, honey?
No.
You're not?
Now when you get on my nerves, I'm not.
I don't get on your nerves.
Yes, you do.
Why would you even say such a thing?
Because you do.
How lucky you are to have all these vehicles. And...
Oh, I'm lucky to have all these vehicles. I think you're the one that's lucky to have all these vehicles.
How many do you got?
I only have 3.
Isn't that enough?
Yeah, that's enough for me.
Well, it's enough for me too.
Yeah, you have way more than 3.
I know, I have 4.
No, you got double digits.
4, all right. So we're gonna try pushing the duster out. We're gonna relocate the duster. We're basically gonna take it from right there to get to the end of the lineup, because we have other ones we want to put here. So we're gonna move it to the end of the lineup over here, where the Dodge resided for a little bit. So we're gonna put the duster over here to get to the end of the line, and we're gonna open up a spot right here for one of the Furies, or the wagon
there.
or the wagon. Either.
Make up your mind.
Does it really matter?
Yeah, because then you're going to change your mind again and
Okay.
we're going to have to move them.
All right, you know what? Let's just say this. We're going to put a Plymouth here and eventually a Plymouth there. And there's already a Plymouth there, but it's going to be a different Plymouth there. How about that? Is that better?
Whatever.
We're going to move this Plymouth, okay? But right now, you know what? There is a Plymouth there right now.
I'm only moving these once, Tim. We're not moving these multiple times like you like to
That's
play,
that's what you said last time. Man, this thing would be so cool. Uh-oh. It's got a locking steering column. So that means that we need to get the keys. Okay.
Are you doing playing around?
Yeah, I'm playing around. I had the key stuck in it. That wasn't even cool. I got something for you.
What? Where the hell am I going so dirty?
No swear words.
It's not like you can hear me bitching at you.
Hey, this is a PG rated show.
Yeah.
All right.
I'll have you know that when Tim and I do anything around the house, there's some bitching going on.
Hey, This is a G-rated show. None of that language going on.
Yeah, whatever.
Here. All right, we're ready to push. I think it's in neutral. I got it in neutral. I think I had the key stuck in it, but I got it out now because I forgot that these keys go upside down. Let me move the camera a little bit because we're gonna turn it this way.
That'd probably be a good idea.
And we're turning it. Put the hook on the old girl. Oh, there you are. Hey, what are you doing?
You better shut up.
What do you do? Thanks for unhooking.
I didn't unhook it.
I appreciate you unhooking that, you know what I'm saying?
Now give me that so I can hold on to it. So it doesn't...
You wanted to hold on to it.
I wasn't talking about your ass.
As we're hooked, there we are. Now, can you steer the car?
Yeah,
Well, why is it going the wrong direction then?
because you turned the wheel that way.
And blame me.
Well, it was your fault. You did turn the wheel that way before you left.
All right. Can you drive the truck?
Yeah.
Okay, just
We
Go
tried
ahead.
not to drop that. Do I need to put it in the one?
onward, low one. Good. It does have a 6-cylinder motor and it runs. It just knocks like crazy. We probably could have drove it back here, actually. Hold on to your panties. This car's pretty fast.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll see how fast it is.
She's a B59.
Well, at least this one's got a floor.
Yeah, it's got a floor. This one's pretty decent shape, man. This car's so fixable, it ain't even funny. Holy shit. Look at that mouse nest in that door. I hope they're still not living in there.
They better not be, Tim.
That's a pretty sweet car you're driving there.
Yeah. A better than the last one I was in. At least this one's got a floor.
Okay, honey, this one's a 57 Fury. So just so you know, I'm not responsible for anything that happens once you get inside this car. Okay? This door does stick. So you gotta push here, pull there. Yeah, well, it's not that you have to push in, but I don't know what's living in here. I can't make any guarantees, but
There better not be anything in here.
well, nothing but you, sweetheart. Hey, this is a G-rated channel.
Get your in your truck and get moving.
Hey, you did great. I'll come let you out. What do you mean good? You did great. How are we on that side? Hold on.
You got plenty of room over here. Okay, it went too far.
I can shove it back.
I gotta
Oh, you're pretty good yet. You're good with Brandon's car
Okay.
yet.
All right.
Got her blocked?
Yep.
Okay. That should be good. Are you ready for the furry?
Yeah, I guess.
What's that mean? I know this one, we're just gonna hook up by all this jacked up Continental bumper kit that we don't care about because we're taking all it off anyway.
Oh.
Because we're not fans of Continental kit, are we, honey?
No. They look ugly.
You heard it. They look ugly. Okay, you can drive this one backwards too, right?
I guess.
You sure you're okay?
Yeah.
Okay, I can tell you're happy. She loves it. Don't let her kid you. She loves it. Nope, a little bit. You should be about there. Stay there. Hold him there, Matt.
Why is this car f***ing heavy?
It's a Fury, honey. That's why. It's furious.
Ow, it sounds like something was dragging or rubbing. Not a fan of the driving backwards.
There may be some edits I have to put on here because of you.
Subscribers might think it's funny.
Potty mouth. Sure, potty mouth. Just because it's cooler than the Cadillac. You ain't getting
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Thank you all very much for tuning in to Shoot Freaks Garage this week. We hope you enjoyed the episode. Please click like and subscribe down below. Take care of yourselves. Take care of your families. We love it. We'll see you next time. Later, guys.